In this demonstration, we will configure Audit Export to an external Syslog server. From the system level, open the Administration menu and select Audit Export. Toggle on Enable Syslog Export and enter the Syslog server hostname or IP address. Ensure the hostname is a fully qualified domain name. Enter the Syslog server port. By default, N-Central uses port 6514. Enter the Syslog TLS certificate. Enter the public certificate of the CA that signed the Syslog server's certificate. If using a changed certificate, enter the text of both the intermediate CA and signing CA. Click Test Export. Because data flows from N-Central to the Syslog server, log into Syslog to confirm successful export.